Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to deactivate your Happn account. For that, first of all, launch your Happn application on your device. Then, on the top right, you will see human icon. Tap on it. From there, if you scroll down, there you will see settings option. Go through it. Now tap on pause my account option. Then, before clicking on pause, you need to know that by pausing, other Happn user can't view your profile. And if you ever want to get back, then you just have to log in back to your account. If you still want to continue, then hit on pause button. And that was it. Your account has been deactivated. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.